it's Bonnie. I am back this Saturday with FabFitFun. Holy cow, check out the box, all butterflies. I am so excited to share this with you guys today. This is the Spring 2020 box. I'm a yearly subscriber to FabFitFun. They come quarterly. They're $49.99, I think, per quarter. And then I will put my referral code below. I think you get a discount if you sign up using my referral code. So that's kind of cool. So this was a little odd box this quarter because it came in a bigger box, which has never happened. Usually the mail person just delivers this with a label on it, but mine came in a big box, and my first item was actually sitting on top of the box. I don't know if they couldn't fit it in, but my first item is called the Stone Cold Fox Tea Towels, and they have a $38 value. I do think this product is slightly overpriced. It's kind of like the $80 pillowcases you always see. I'm like, why would someone pay that much for a pillowcase? But these almost look like, you know what these look like, strangely enough? These kind of look like, I used to work at a golf course in college, and we had like bar towels behind the sink, and I swear these kind of look like them. I'm like, I don't know. This is a strange product. I'm assuming they're like 100% cotton or something, made in India, cotton polyester. I don't know. This seems really high for these towels. I got lipstick all over them, but I did get 2 of the towels. I don't remember selecting that item, so that could have been just like an extra item. So I'm just going to dig into the box. I haven't, oh my gosh, look how pretty this is, you guys. I actually like the box, I think, better than anything. You know, it's funny when you love the box. We do get a magazine each month with articles, stuff about the products. So that's kind of fun. I usually read that at night. And then we also got a couple like little like flyer coupons, HelloFresh. I usually don't even look at these. They don't interest me. I am digging into the box. So the first thing that I am seeing of interest, I'm trying to go in order because I actually have this on my screen. Oh my gosh. So I really wanted this one. I think this was something I selected. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. It's funny because they've only got a $21 value on this, which I'm actually surprised about because I thought this was like a higher priced item. I do have another one of these. This is a nice palette. I can't remember if this one... No, this one doesn't have the scent on it, but it looks like we have a cream and 5 powders in this one. But this is always like a pretty neat palette from Tarte, so I will keep this as a backup for my other one. I also got, let's see, oh, I gotta go in order. You guys, this is driving me nuts. Okay, I got a brush. Check it out. This is the Area Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplate Brush for $35. It comes in a really neat bag, you guys. You know I have crazy hair. It's a square brush. Let me see. This is actually really nice, you guys. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this brush, but this actually feels really good brushing your hair. Holy cow, this is kind of interesting. You know, and it does kind of smooth it down a little bit. Look at that. So, like I said, you know me, I have big crazy hair, and wow, I'm actually really impressed with this brush. Check it out. Curl my hair back under. That's actually not bad. Holy cow. Okay, I'm loving this brush. This is actually pretty nice. That is the brush. It's a chrome detangling brush. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'll take that. That's an awesome brush. And cute. Look, check out this cute little bag it came in. That's pretty awesome. The next item on here, I'm going to pull this out. This is a $99, it's a ribbed sweater coat. I have no idea what this is. Check it out. This is actually kind of cute. Okay, it's one size fits all, I think. It just, like, is, oh. It actually is kind of cute. Check it out. And it's, let me see if I can untangle myself from behind my desk here. My desk is crazy. Okay, so this actually is kind of cute for spring. So I don't know if I can stand up and show you guys. Check it out. It's like It's kind of big, actually. I'm probably, I mean, I'm pretty tall. I'm like 5'11", and I wear like a 10-12 in women's clothing, but this is a little on the big side. That's the only thing that's, I mean, it's not bad, but it is a little big. I think it was like a one-size-fits-all item. This is the smallest size. So if you're really small or short, I'm thinking this might not fit all that well because it's pretty long, too. Gifted to a tall friend. Okay, getting back to, but that's a $99 value. It looks like a nice quality. To maneuver myself in here. Okay, next up, it looks like we have a jewelry product. This is a $50 value. It's a double coin necklace. That's pretty cute. From Amber Seats. Okay, let me get to the next page here, you guys. Next up, oh, I had a mystery choice. Check it out. Okay, I gotta figure out what the mystery choice is. So next up we have This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and mornings. Can't see it all because of lighting. I'm not even gonna open this. I might get this. I'm not even sure what this is. I gotta figure out what this is. This is used nightly after bathing to restore skin while you sleep. Okay. $40 value. I got a box of silicone straws. This is a $15 value. That's always cool. I love the reusable straws. Check it out. We got the silicone straw. Oh, these are cool. These are like really squishy. I don't think I've ever owned squishy straws before. Oh my gosh, look at these. I'm used to the stainless steel ones, but look at these. These are like silicone. I don't think I've ever owned a silicone straw before. Kind of interesting. Okay, so we got those. Oops. What else is in here? I have no idea what this is. What the heck do you do with this? It's a case. So you must be able to fold your straws up in this little case. I don't know, that's kind of goofy. So anyway, we got the straws. Okay. Next up, I got a couple more products in. I think I got 2 more products in here. I did get the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Peel and Polish. This is actually only a $7 value. Check it out. I don't know if this is like a peel off. I kind of like watermelon scented beauty products. So I'm going to open this one because this is definitely something I'm keeping. Oh, this is nice. This is kind of that smells good too. It's like an exfoliant. Kind of reminds me of St. Ives. You know, remember the St. Ives apricot? It kind of got that like texture to it, but it's got watermelon in it. But check that out. So that's only a $7 value. I'm surprised. I thought Pure Lease was a little bit more expensive. I can't remember. So this is a good product. And then I have a mystery gift, and it's literally a true mystery because it says it says mystery choice. It's in a little baggie with question marks all over it. So, what is my mystery choice? Peppermint face cream. Ooh, peppermint face cream. Oh, this is nice. I love anything peppermint. This is, check it out, peppermint face cream. Who makes this? What is it? It's heavy. It just says face cream number XCI. It's like a true mystery. I don't even who makes it. It just says a plant-based, deeply moisturizing buttercream with a velvety afterfeel. I'm not even sure who makes this. Let me see what it's like. Oh, that smells good though. I like anything peppermint, obviously. This is a nice cream. Oh, that smells really good, though. I'll have to do some research on this one. Maybe I can review this one on my blog, just to kind of give you... It's a glass bottle, too. It's like a nice, heavyweight glass bottle. I think I can click on View Item. Let me see if I can bring this up on my screen. My whole box is a $328 value, by the way. It just says, what could it be? A palette, a body cream, or maybe a trigger ball? Maybe my mother will get something else. She got a box too. What is a trigger ball? Or a palette. Anyway, I got the cream. So it's a peppermint cream. So I also got a whole bunch of fluff that I will probably reuse. And like I said, I'm still really impressed with the box. So, favorite items in this one are, I really like the water. This is like the least expensive item, believe it or not. I like this watermelon energizing polishing peel. I am loving my brush. This is a really, really nice brush. The Tarte Pro Glow is definitely a good product. And I think my next favorite item is this peppermint cream, even though I don't know about what it is. I think my least favorite items in this box are the towels, just because I can't like quantitate. I'm not editing this. I can't quantify spending $38 on 2 towels. And although this is a $99 value, this jacket, it just seems like it could be like really big on people. So I don't know. I have to like get in front of a mirror and try this on. It's cute. I like the texture of this one, but I'm not, I'll report back later. Although, you know what, it's really funny. I've got this shirt today that I'm wearing, and I think it matches my shirt, like, absolutely perfectly. Go figure. So anyway, that is FabFitFun for this month. Let me know if you got one, if you liked it, if you got different stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.